Our topic today is ants. Ants are eusocial insects that belong to the order Hymenoptera. Ants have various defensive mechanisms, including powerful mandibles and venomous stingers. Ants live in groups known as colonies. The most important ant in an ant colony is known as the queen ant. It is generally the mother of all the other ants in the colony. It is responsible for laying all the eggs. The colony lives in a nest, which is built and maintained by a group of ants known as worker ants. Worker ants are generally 5 mm in length. However, this number varies greatly depending on the species. On the other hand, queens are generally much larger, with a length of around 2 cm, but this number also varies greatly depending on the species. Ant colonies are organized in a way known as eusociality, meaning that only the queen is responsible for producing offspring. Worker ants are completely sterile, so the colony is reliant on only queens to produce the next generation. Also, worker ants work to protect the colony and the queen. They also take care of the queen's offspring, ensuring the colony's continuity into the next generation. Ants hatch from eggs in the form of larvae. These larvae look nothing like adult ants. They need to undergo a process known as metamorphosis. In this process, they go through a pupa stage. After that, they begin to resemble adults. Unlike worker ants, male ants have wings. Ants communicate through chemical signals known as pheromones. Ants use pheromones to organize various aspects of the colony. For example, one ant can leave a trail of pheromones to guide other ants towards a food source. Some ants can achieve an extreme level of coordination. For example, fire ants, where worker ants can organize themselves into a raft. They do that in times of flood to protect the queen and larvae. The fastest ant is the Saharan silver ant, with a speed of around 3.1 km per hour. While this might not sound like a lot, it actually means that a Saharan silver ant can travel 100 times the length of its own body in only 1 second. And that's the end of the video. Bye. See you next time.